Welcome back to Dragon Nail. Today we have a beautiful client who's going for this soft and adorable spring-inspired nail set. Just look at this design. It features delicate ombre flowers, a cute little dragonfly, pearl embellishments with gold accents, and the prettiest shade of soft pink. Everything about this set feels fresh, elegant, and full of charm. Let's get started. First, I'm refining the nail shape to make sure every nail is perfectly balanced and symmetrical. Next, I'm applying 2 thin coats of clear base gel to create a strong, even foundation for the rest of the design. Now it's time for our main color. I'll apply 2 coats of this soft, rosy pink gel polish to achieve a smooth, vibrant finish with full coverage. Next, I'm mixing the colors for the French tips. This fresh, buttery yellow adds such a bright and cheerful touch. We'll also create a few French tips in crisp white and a soft pearly pink to give the set more variety and dimension. Now comes my favorite part, the nail art. On the left index finger and the right pinky, I'm creating a cute gingham plaid pattern inspired by classic picnic blankets. It gives the whole set a cozy spring and camping vibe. Next, I'll add a few delicate details to the middle finger to bring everything together. On the left thumb, I'm hand painting a soft white flower using white gel paint. For the right thumb, I'll sculpt a large 3D flower with acrylic powder to create a beautiful focal point. On the middle finger, I'm sculpting an adorable little dragonfly using acrylic, then finishing it with tiny pearls and gold bead accents for a delicate, elegant look. Finally, I'll seal the entire set with a glossy top coat to protect the design and give it that beautiful glass-like shine. And that's the finished look. This sweet floral set turned out absolutely beautiful, and it fits our lovely client perfectly. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next dragon nail makeover.